Hello students, good morning to all. I hope you all are fit and fine. Okay, you be safe in home. So today we are going to study about whole numbers. So this whole number is new term for you. So we'll discuss what we are going to study about whole number today. So we are going to revise what you have studied about natural numbers. Okay, then we'll learn about predecessor and successor. Then we'll learn about number line and the use of number line in addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, so let's start. So before going to whole number, I want to discuss you about natural numbers. So we are using numbers for counting. Okay, like we are counting where we are starting from 1. Always we are starting from 1 whenever we are counting. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this we are counting. So for this counting we are using natural numbers. So numbers, you look at the screen, what it is there? The numbers that are used for counting and ordering are called natural numbers. So ordering, like first, which one is first, that one is which one first, we are indicating 1. Which one is second, then 2, then which one is third, 3, like that we are ordering. Okay, so those are what? Natural numbers. Examples are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like 100, 200, 300, 400, 1000, thousand, lakh, crore, like this. Those numbers are what? Natural numbers. So this is about natural numbers, and you have already studied about these natural numbers and addition of this natural number, how we are doing an addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. You have already studied in previous class. So let's see. So you have known about predecessor and successor. So look at here, predecessor and successor. Predecessor, pre, and successor, sucks. So predecessor is what? Past. Okay. Before, and successor is what? After. You have to know about this one. Predecessor, before, and successor, after. You have already studied about this. Okay. So let's see. A successor of any number is the next number to it, which is obtained by adding 1. So what is successor? How you will see the successor of any number? You have to add 1. That's why after that what you will get? The successor number or successor. ଯେମିତି ତମେ କ'ଣ କହୁଛ? ପୂର୍ବ ସଂଖ୍ୟା ପର ସଂଖ୍ୟା. Okay. So predecessor is ପୂର୍ବ ସଂଖ୍ୟା and successor is ପର ସଂଖ୍ୟା. Means after. After, before. Predecessor is the number coming before and successor is the number coming after. So successor, how will get successor? We get successor by adding 1. We have to add 1. So let's add 1. What it is given? Successor of 12. Successor of 12 is how much? 12 plus 1. How much you are getting? 13. So successor of 12 is 13. Next, successor of 199. For getting successor, what we'll do? We'll add 1. So how much? 200. So successor of 199 is what? 200. Let's see. Successor of 3571. So add it. 3571 plus 1. How much? 3572. So this is about successor. Let's see predecessor. Predecessor was a predecessor of any number is the previous number to it. Okay, which is obtained by subtracting 1. So that is the previous number, and how we will get it? By subtracting 1. So let's find out predecessor of 12. So how will you find out? 12 minus 1. We have to subtract 1. We are subtracting 1 from 12. What will get? 11. So predecessor of 12 is 11. Next, predecessor of 199. So let's find out. How we'll find out? We have to subtract 1. 199 minus 1. How much you'll get? 198. So predecessor of 199 is 198. Next find out. Sorry, I have written successor. Actually it is predecessor. Okay. Predecessor of 3571. So 3571 minus 1. How much? 3570. So this is about the predecessor and successor. So for successor you add 1, that is the next number of the number. Then for predecessor what you will do? You will subtract 1, that is previous number. So successor is next number and predecessor is previous number. So all this you have learned in previous class. So let's see. Next is the new thing, the new number you are going to study. That is what? Whole number. So look at here, written whole number. So what is the difference between natural number and whole number? Let's see what is whole number. So the natural numbers along with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. So what is whole numbers? The natural numbers along with 0. Okay. So in natural number, from where you are starting? You are starting from 1. In natural number you are writing from 1, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So always you are starting from 1 in natural number. But in whole number what is the difference? You are starting from 0. Okay. So here you are including 0. That's why this is known as whole number. So whole number is what? The natural numbers along with means ta sahito 0. Natural number sahito jodi 0 tome rakhibo tahale kon hobo? That is whole number. That does not mean that sahito means you will keep 0 means you will 40 and you can't start from 0. That is not natural. You have to start from 0. Then it will be whole number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. You will tell them whole number. So this is about whole number. Okay. So the difference between natural and whole number is natural number always starts from 1. But whole number starts from 0. So this is the difference between natural and whole numbers. Let's see the number line. How will represent the whole numbers in a number line? So let's see what is number line. What is number line? It is the infinitely long line containing all the whole numbers. So it is an infinite line. Look, it is starting from 0, but here this is not an end. Here what is happening? Here arrow mark is given. It arrow mark DH means it end habani. It is sorry bani. Okay. So this will continue. How much you want to continue, that will continue. Okay. So this is not the ending. Here one end is here. Here other end has no end. Okay. It has what? Arrow mark. So it is infinitely long line. This one is long line containing all whole numbers. Okay. The line starts from 0 and any two, look at here, it is starting from 0 and any two consecutive whole numbers have the same distance between them. Consecutive. So here the new term come, that is what? Consecutive. You try to learn the new terms that will be necessary for you. Okay. So consecutive means that nearby number, like 1, 2 are consecutive, 2, 3 are consecutive, 4, 5 are consecutive, or 5, 6 are consecutive. Consecutive means next number and its next number or its previous number. All are consecutive. So the difference between or distance between the two consecutive whole number are same. So look at here, 0, 1, 2. Here they have the same distance between them. From 0 to 1, look, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, they have the same distance. देखो एठी लक्ष्य करो 0 to 1 जेतिक डिस्टेंस अछि 1 to 2 भी सेतिक डिस्टेंस अछि 2 to 3 भी सेतिक डिस्टेंस अछि 3 to 4 भी सेतिक डिस्टेंस अछि 4 to 5 सो ऑलवेज दीटा नंबर भितरे मींस दीटा कंजिक्यूटिव नंबर टू कंजिक्यूटिव नंबर भितरे कोन अछि डिस्टेंस सेम अछि सो दैट इज द property of number line. So let's see, let's find out some answer. One question given, what is the distance between the points 2 and 4? So look at here 2 is there, 4 is. So this is 2, this is 4. So we have to find the distance. So from 0 to 1 is 1 unit. 1 to 2 is also 1 unit. So the distance between two consecutive numbers will be always 1 unit. So let's find out distance between 2 and 4. Here 2 is there and here 4 is there. So here how many units are there? 1 and 2. This 1 and 2. So how many, the distance between 2 and 4 is how much? 2 units. If I'll ask that the distance, can you tell the distance between the points 2 and 6? Look at here, where is 2? Here is 2 and where is 6? Here is 6. So we have to find the distance between 2 and 6. Okay, so let's count 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. So how many, what is the distance between 2 and 6? Distance between 2 and 6 is how much? 4 units. Like that, let's find out distance between 2 and 7. So where is 2? Here. Where is 7? Here. So distance between these two, 2 and 7. These two numbers, how much? Find out the units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So distance between 2 and 7 is how much? 5 units. So this is how you can find out the distance. Okay, distance between any two numbers. So let's, next question is what? Look at it. Out of any two whole numbers, the number on the right of the other is greater number. Okay, what it is saying? Out of any two number. So for example 8 and 9. Okay, we'll take two numbers, that is 8 and 9. Okay, so any two numbers, the number on the right side. So from 8 and 9, which is on the right side? 9. The number on the right side of other number is the greater number. So that number which is on the right side, जो number right side रहिबो सेटा तमरो कोन हबो? Always that is greater number. If you compare between 8 and 10, okay, so look at here, which one is on right? 10. That's why 10 is a greater number. So out of any two whole numbers, the number on the right of the other number is greater number. Let us consider between 8 and 6. So look at here, 8 is here. I don't know, it is which 8 is here and 6 is here. Okay, so look at here, between 8 and 6, which one is on the right side? 8 is on the right side. That's why 8 is greater number. So you can write it as between 8 and 6, 8 is greater number. So 8 is greater than 6. Let's look from 11 and 5. So look at it. Where is 11? Here is 11. Where is 5? Here is 5. So let's find out which one is greater. Which one, for greater, we need to find which one is on the right side. So look here, 11 is on the right side. That's why 11 is greater than 5. So you can write as 11 is greater than 5. So this number line also helps to find out the greater number and lesser number. Means greater number is on the right side and lesser number is on the left side. So here 8 is greater, 6 is lesser. 11 is greater, 5 is lesser. So this is about and lesser numbers. Next you see, We can find out also predecessor and successor of any number on a number line. Okay, predecessor means subtract 1 and successor means add 1. So place the successor of 12 on a number line. So let's find out 12. Where is 12? This one is 12. Okay, we have to find out the successor. Successor means add 1. 12 plus 1. How much? 12 plus 1. It is how much? 13. So, successor of 12 is how much? 13. Okay. Next, the predecessor of 7 on a number line. Where is 7? Here is 7. So, predecessor of 7 is how much? 7 minus 1, how much? 6. So, predecessor of 7 is 6. Like that we can find out the predecessor and successor on a number line. Okay. Next, we'll do some operations. Okay. Like addition, subtraction and multiplication of whole numbers with the help of number line. So we'll use the number line use kariba, then we'll do addition, subtraction and multiplications. Tar help re ame kon kariba? Addition, we have to find out the sum. Subtraction, we'll find out difference, and multiplication means we'll find out the product. Let's see first addition on number line. So for using number line, we have to make the number line. Okay. So first one is what? Sum of 3 and 4 is how much? Okay. We'll find out the sum of 3 and 4. So first what I had done? I had made a arrow mark or made a line and put a arrow mark here. Okay. So this is line. Like that you have to make line, and what you will do next? You will start here from 0. Okay. You will start here from 0. Next, you will in equal distance you will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 like this. Okay. कौन करिवो एमती गोटे लाइन तैयारी कर देबो एमती गोटे एरो मार्क पुट करिवो नेक्स्ट you will put 0 put करिवो नेक्स्ट इक्वल डिस्टेंस रे सेम डिस्टेंस रे कौन करिवो 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this you will write तमे नंबर राइट करिवो. Okay, so look at here. Now we will find out the sum. Okay, so first number is what? 3. So you put the first number 3. Here is 3. Okay, so what you will do? You have to add 7. So start from 3. So first number is 3. So start from 3. Then go to next number is what? 4. 4 units को तमेजियो. So what you will do? 1 from start from 3. Then take 1 unit. Then 2 unit. Then 3 unit. Then 4 unit. Okay. So first number 3 achi. That's why we have taken 3. Started from 3. I mean 3 ru start kale. Next number कौन अछि 4. 4 means what? We add. हमको add करियो पड़ो. That's why we'll move further. हमें आगो को जिबा. Okay. आगो number को जिबा. So we'll move further by 4 unit. 4 unit आगो को जिबा. So this one is 1. Okay. Then 2 unit. Then 3 unit. Then 4 unit. Like that we will go to 4 unit. After passing 4 unit, what we get? We get 7. So answer is what? 3 plus 4 equal to how much? 7. So by this number line we had found out the answer that 3 plus 4 is 7. Like that you have to move right in addition. Let's see another what it is given. Addition of 4 and 5. Like that what we'll do? We'll first start from 0. We'll put a line. We'll start from 0. Then we'll take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equal distance nabo 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Like this you will take. Then what you will do? What is given? Addition of 4 and 5. So first what we will take? 4. I am first kahaku neba 4. So we will start from 4. Then what we will do? We will go forward. Forward means we go to the right. I am right side ko move kare because right side is the successor or right side have greatest number. So when we are adding, we will go to right. Always go to right when you are adding. Okay. So first is 4. We'll start from 4 and how much unit will take? Second kon achi 5 achi. We'll take 5 units. So jump right to 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this we'll jump 5 times to the right. 5 units. Jump 5 units to the right. Ame 5 unit right ko gale. So what you got? You got the answer is how much? 4 and 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. So this is about addition of number line. You can do like this addition using number line. Okay. Next we will go to subtraction on the number line. So look at here 8 minus 3. On subtraction what we will do? Here we have given number line. Look at the number line. We will start from the first number. First number is what? 8. So we will start from 8. Okay. And for subtraction where we will move? We will move always to left. So for addition we are going right, but here we will move towards left. Ame left aduku jiba. Okay. So we will start 8 and we will move to 3 units to the left, or we will jump to through 3 unit to the left. So let's see. 8 will go to 1 unit. Okay, first then 2 unit, then 3 unit. Like that we have jumped to 3 unit. Okay, to the left. So what we got? We got 5. So 8 minus 3 is how much? 5. Let's see. 7 minus 5. So what is here? 7 is here. So in subtraction where we will jump? We will jump towards left. So how many jumps? How many units we will jump? This one is given 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what we got? Answer is 2. So 7 minus 5 equal to how much? 2. So this is about subtraction. Next is multiplication on a number line. How do we multiply by the help of number line? So here we have given, for example, 4 into 3. So multiplication, what you will do? Here first number is 4, second number is 3. So we have to find out the product of 4 into 3. So what you will do? You will take 3, you will start from 0. From multiplication always start from 0. So from 0 what you will do? You will directly take how much? 3 units at a time, and what will 3 units to the right at a time and make such 4 moves. So let's see केमती करिवो. 3टा यूनिट एका सहित नै जिवो. 3 यूनिट्स अछि स्मॉल 3 यूनिट एका सहित नै जिवो. तापरे एका सहित नै कि राइट जंप करिवो. नेक्स्ट लाइक ता सेमितिया तमे कोन करिवो? 4टा जंप करिवो. ओके 4टा मूव. Let's see how after doing only you can understand. Okay. So what you will do? You take from 0, you will take 3 unit at a time to the right. 0 to 3 unit at a time they galo. Okay. So from 0 to 3. This one is 3. So 4 into 3 means we will take how much? 0 to 3. Then like that 3 unit you have taken. Again I will take 1, 2, 3. 3 unit jump to the right side. Like again I'll jump 3 unit. Okay, like 4 times. 1, 2, 3. Then next I'll take again one jump like this. So I have done, I have taken 3 units at a time, 3 units right at a time, 3 units right at a time neji. तापरे कौन करछि, I have taken 4 times, 4 moves like this. एमिति 4 थरो move करछि. Okay, so 4 into 3 equal to how much? 12. So in number line, what you will do? You will take one as a unit at a time. Then you will make the second number as your move. First टा तो मैं unit नहीं जो, तापरे second टा कौन करूँ? Setting टा move करिबो. Like हमें 3 unit नहीं जे, सही 3 unit at a time को तो मैं कौन करता? 4 थरो move करछि. So like that, what you will find? The answer of multiplication. Next we will see 3 into 3. So first I will take 3 units at a time. Okay. So 3 units at a time. Next I have what I have? Next also I have 3. So how much time will move? I will move this one 3 times. This type of move I will take 3 times. A common type of move kete time? Kete thar nebi? 3 times. So what I have got? Answer is 9. Like that, you can also make example 5 into 2. So look at here, here 5 is given, 2 is given. What you will do? You will take the small number. What is the small number? This is 2. So you will take the first, what you will take? You will take 2 units at a time. Okay, to the right. 2 units at a time to the right. Okay, 2 units at a time to the right. 2 units कौन करो at a time नहीं कि right को move करो. Okay, next 5. 5 is given. 5 is the biggest now. So how much time you will move? 5 times. So 2 is already given. Like this you will move 5 times. 1, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. So what you got the answer? 5 into 2 equal to 10. Like this you will find out the multiplication on the number line. So this is about your whole number and number line and addition, multiplication and subtraction with the help of number line. Okay, so you do the try this and do the example with the help of this. Okay, thank you.